us. But let's go on to what this top Gouda said, man. Big up to Lee as well. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to Lee and to his second channel, Lee Reacts. Do you know what I'm saying? Keep supporting the man, them. And let's go on to the next clip.
What, you winning the Champions League?
Not the Champions League. We're going for the quad. We're gonna do.
Bro, what's that saying? Yeah, where it's like Arsenal sees Arsenal's like the best soap opera because all they care about is
all it takes is for Arsenal, to upgrade the squad depth, then we can actually put out a strong team in all competitions, innit? And then when Arteta goes, you know what, we're going to focus on everything, then by the way, we're going to do better than all you, man. Oh my God, how could you ever say that? By the way, I decided this season, I'm not doing the humble thing.
Oh my days, man! Like the 6 foot pot of paper is saying that we can do the quad. A man said, "I'm not doing the humble thing." Man said, "You're not doing that. There's nothing, bro. What are you talking about? You're not doing the humble thing." Man's talking like he just won the treble, just won the league, bro. What are you talking about? You can't. I'm not doing the humble thing. Now, real talk, Hooks. Me and Hooks are cool, but he knows that I know that he's talking bucaria right here. I don't know what this guy is talking about, bro. What are you talking about? The North London Sugar Knight, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? And I'm not talking about Sugar Knight with Death Row. I'm talking about Sugar Knight when he's in jail, making jail phone calls, bro. What are you talking about, Hooks? Talking absolute bucaria. We're doing the quadruple, bro. What are you chatting about? We can't even do a cup double, bro. We can't even do a cup double, and you're telling me we're going to do the quadruple. No problem. You got an extra folder as well. No problem. You're getting a folder as well. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? You're going to get a folder as well, bro. I swear down. I've had enough. Bro, man said, oh, you're Northside. You should be a detective. Can't lie. You'll make a sick. Do you know why, I was brought up with narcissistic women. Narcissistic women, you have to have every piece of evidence, bro. I used to get so much evidence on my older sister, she would want to punch me, bro. Do you know why? Because the evidence ain't evidencing. You know what I'm saying? The forensics ain't forensicing. Do you know what I'm saying, Filo da puta? I would get her so rattled with the facts. There was nothing she can do because I'm telling you, me, I'll be doing everything. You see the powder? You know, for the fingerprints, I'll be doing like this, Filo da puta, getting a sellotape. Hey, Shay, your fingerprints was there. Oh, it wasn't there. Oh, wait, hold on. We got a camera in the doorbell. I saw your blackhead, coming in at 3 a.m. and you told me that you was there at 10 p.m. Don't give me that pucaria. Do you know, I had to be like that. And then, bro, I grew up with you have to, with narcissistic people or gaslighters, you have to have the evidence. You know what I mean? So I'd finish her, bring forth my next family member that's narcissistic, bring forth the next one and finish her as well. Do you know what I'm saying? With the evidence, bro. Because these type of people will try and spin it around. I'm spinning around. Get out of my way. Do you know what I'm saying? Trying to gaslight you. No way, bro. Do you know what I mean? No. Listen, Detective North, the North remembers, Just know that. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm doing all the detective work, all of it. I'm watching everything. Me and Lee. Lee's watching TikTok. And Lee's watching TikTok. Lee's watching Twitter. I'm watching TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everything. I'm tired of it. These men want to talk rubbish, no problem. Do you know what I'm saying? No problem. Do you know what I'm saying? I'll be like Doctor Who, bro, stepping in that portal and going back to everything that you've said, trying to gaslight at the start of the season about we're going to win the league. And then if we don't win the league, filo da puta, we're going to step into the phone box, marica da merda, and let's go over what you said. No problem. You ain't going to gaslight me. I grew up with narcissists. You're not going to gaslight me. You see my Olu? You see this? We got a saying in Portuguese. You can't cover my eye. Não vais tapar o meu olho. This filo da puta saying that we're going to do the quadruple. Hey, no problem. We've got the files there. But let's carry on.
So let's make or break. This is the season, isn't it?
But this is what I'm saying. I'm not doing the humble thing this season. This season, next, and I firmly believe, that for one, yeah, I don't really think Man City can talk too much to me in it, yeah, in terms of playing. In terms of trophies, yeah,
That's cool.
of recent,
No problem.
you man can talk till the cows come home in it. But I'm talking in terms of the level of playing, football. The level of playing football, Arsenal aren't really that far behind Man
You
City.
got the bus every time.
Man said Man City can't chat to us because the level of football that we're playing isn't far from Man City. What are you talking about? Since when the style of football, alone get you over the line to win a major honor? Wasn't Tottenham playing calm football under Poch? Did they win that Champions League final? What are we talking about? Oh, you can't chat to me, You can't chat to me because my team plays better football than you. When Man City are the ones lifting major honors again. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days. Hooks. Respectfully, bro. Just come off the internet, bro. Come off the internet. This ain't for you, bro. This ain't for you. I'm being real, bro. I'm being real. I don't know what you are talking about, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Nah, bro. This ain't for you, bro. I'm telling you. I don't know what you're chatting about, bro. Real talk, bro. Real talk. I don't know what this guy's talking about, bro. Man's on live talking absolute rubbish about don't talk to me because of the style of football that my team play. Looking like a light-skinned Rick Ross. What are you chatting about? What are you chatting about, bro? We ain't done nothing. We ain't done nothing, bro. And this light-skinned Ricky Rose, the flipping Wingstop North London Rick Ross in Hawks is talking about, but have you got lemon pepper wings? What are you chatting about, bro? What are you chatting about? How is that something to gloat about? Man, like the lemon pepper North London Rick Ross wings and talking about, but look at the style of football that we play. Hawks, just come off the internet, my G. Just come off the internet. Real talk, bro. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous, bro. But this is the fan base that me and Lee try to reason with. But there's no reasoning with this. Do you know what I'm saying? Hawks, another guy. When you meet him in person, blessed guy. But what are you chatting about right now? What are you chatting about? Nah, bro, I'm telling you. I'm shouting at Rose. What are you chatting about, bro? Huh? Bro, I don't even know, man. Let's move to the next one, man.
Winning the league this year.
Hey!
We are winning the league this year, Robbie. So this is one of the best.
We're winning the league based off of beating Man United in pre-season. Yeah, if we lose in pre-season, they'll say, but it's only pre-season. It's only for fitness. We haven't even got our full team back. We're not even playing with our full team. But because it's going Arsenal's way in terms of results, we're winning the league based off of pre-season. We're winning the league. No problem. More receipts. More receipts now. I'm going to be really well organized this year. I'm not deleting none of these clips. All these clips are staying, bro. It's already started. And we ain't even kicked the ball. We're not even in August yet. And these men are already talking. Amanda Boca, Fala Pucaria, like we've done something. Because we beat Man United. In pre-season. Oh, my days. No problem. You carry on, Maji. You carry on. You know what I'm saying? Carry on. You keep going, bro. You know what I'm saying? We got Ghostface Killer over here. Carry on.
Arsenal team so far. This is one of the best Arsenal teams so far. We've actually outshined even the Invisible in terms of points. And we were just unlucky last year. And I know we're going to win the league this year. I think we just need a good...
We've outshined the Invincibles in terms of points. Bro, who cares, bro? Who cares? Who actually cares? Invincibles did enough to get over the line. Yeah, you got more points. You still ain't won the league. So who cares? Why does that matter, bro? But this is what I'm saying. These men now trying to devalue a team that won the league. But now this team that had more points but didn't win the league. Oh, no. They're better than the Invincibles. Okay, cool. Don't ever talk to me about Invincibles because you, man, now are discrediting a team that went invincible. You're discrediting it to try and prop up Mikel Arteta's team. No problem, bro. We'll keep doing that. Do you know what I'm saying? We'll keep doing that. I'm telling you. Hussam, don't even try. Big up to Hussam, man. Make sure you're liking and subscribing to Hussam, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at this guy, bro. I swear down. Can never trust these. I'm telling you, these Jordanians ain't loyal, bro. These Jordanians ain't loyal. Listen, if you do that, yeah, I'm gonna start calling you Alan from Hangover again. I'm telling you right now. I'm gonna start calling you the Jordanian Alan from Hangover if you dare do that. Big up to you, Sam. You fraud. That's what you call everybody else. You fraud.
Good midfielder, probably a very good winger, and we're gonna win the league.
So you're confident?
I feel like this team is strong enough to compete this season. Last year, we gave it a go. It was amazing. But this year, I feel like we have a chance.
Did you hear what he said? This season, I feel like there was actually no reasoning behind what he's saying. It's just, it feels like. Man like Lloyd Banks on there at the back. I'm so fly. You know what I mean? In my ride. Listen, no problem. There's too much feelings in this club. This is why I called it a feminine club. This club is a feminine club, bro. You know what I mean? This club is like an estrogen shot. This club is like a period pad. This club is like a Tampax Compax. It's all feelings, bro. Nothing is facts. Because you feel like the club's going to win. Based on what? Based on what? Your feelings. Makes no sense, bro. But welcome to Arsenal. It's all about the feelings, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Bro, you're not even getting cooked, bro. I just called you a light-skinned Rick Ross, bro. You already know this. You know what I'm saying? The mixer is pot of paper. Listen, it's all calm. But you were talking rubbish, Hooks, yeah? You're talking, you know I'll say this straight to you, bro. Listen, you were talking rubbish when you're saying that we're going to do the quad, bro. You already know you were talking rubbish, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I don't care if you're the size of Suge Knight. Yeah, I don't care how tall you are. I'll tell you, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm just going to tell you straight, bro. You're waffling right now. Do you know what I'm saying? And you're lucky, bro, because I'm telling you right now, yeah, you keep waffling like that, bro. Listen, bro, nah. You're talking, bro, based on what did you say that, bro? You get me? Nah. Man, look at that Sean Kingston with a beard. You're waffling right now. Do you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You're looking like that singer. I may be crazy. I make it crazy all on you. That's what you're sounding like, bro. On Never a Foul, bro. I'm just being real. Stop, bro. Listen, Hooks is a nice guy, but you're talking pucaria, bro. Please. Do you know what I'm saying? I may be crazy. Oh my God. CeeLo Green, that's his name. You know what I mean? Oh, for you. Hooks, stop it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stop it, bro. Nah, bro. How dare you say we're winning the quad when this manager can't even win a Carabao Cup? Come on, bro. Come on. Let's behave now, bro. Let's behave now. Nah, let's behave now. You know better than that, bro. How dare you? You know that's cut, bro. You know what I'm saying? Nah, but we're family and all that. Listen, me and Hooks are calm. We're bedrooms, bro, but he's chatting nonsense, bro. Anyone that chats, I don't care if I'm cool with you. You talk nonsense, I'm going to say my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Come on. Let's come on now. Let's be sensible now. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you. If this isn't delusion, then what is it? Feelings and faith over cold hard facts. I don't get it, bro. I really don't get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling you, bro. Thank you, bro. You already know, bro. Come on, man. Portugal's got talent. Angola has got talent. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Don't worry, I'm going to shout you and I'll defend myself. But you got to defend yourself. 161 in the 167 in the building, and we ain't even got 150 likes. Don't break up conmigo, okay? You man are moving like Hooks right now. Do you know what I'm saying? You man are moving like Hooks right now. You man better smash the like button the next time I look at the like and juro por amor de Deus, doutor dizer, Nossa Senhora Fátima do Céu, I'm going to dash this chinelo at your forehead. Let's get to 150 likes. Don't brincar conmigo, okay? Imediatamente, okay, you ven 150. Porra! Nah, bro. That's playing with me. Nah, get the likes up. Do you know what I'm saying? Nah, get the likes up. Do you know what I'm saying? Get the likes up. Oh, for you. Let's get the next one, bro. Let's get the next one. Yo, Hooks. Hooks, bro. You did it to yourself, bro. Well done. You played yourself. Let's run the next one. We're back.
Part of the process, right? The youngsters, they got to grow, they got to develop. What an excellent atmosphere.
Phase 5 and the youngsters got to grow and they got to develop. Still, we're still developing. We are still developing. Even the Jackson 5 didn't take phase 5 to become the Jackson 5. Even the Jackson 5 didn't take this long, bro. How long are we going to keep developing? We are still developing.